silence never felt this loud. I've been staring at the ceiling, tracing cracks like the lines we crossed. Every word we left unspoken still burns like something I lost. You said forever, then the echo faded, left me chasing ghosts in my head. Your hoodie still hangs where you placed it, like it's waiting for what we left unsaid. You used to be my calm, my peace. Now it's just the quiet that won't release. The room still smells like you, but feels colder too. Now I'm lost in silence, yeah, where your voice used to be. Every breath, every heartbeat reminds me you're not next to me. You said love don't fade, but baby it did. Now I'm drowning in the things we hid. Lost in silence, can't find my way, still reaching for words you'll never say. It's strange how the clock still ticks when time feels trapped in this pain. I play a laugh inside my mind just to feel alive again. I poured your coffee out this morning, couldn't stand the sense of goodbye. Even my shadow stand the same. Half of me left when you walked by. You said space was what you need, but it feels like I can't breathe. I talk to your ghost at 3 AM, pretend you might still answer them.